who are going to get a Visa gift card, a dog toy, and some dog food.
We thought it was Pharaoh.
Alrighty, our second place is going to the tortoises.
Oh, yay!
And our third place is Ditto, who's the garden dog.
Oh, yay!
And he gets to add another wonderful thing onto his t-shirt.
Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you guys so much, and they're also going to have some